Configuring AWS Amplify GraphQL API is a straightforward process that enables you to create a scalable and secure backend for your application. To begin, you need to install the AWS Amplify CLI and configure your AWS account. First, install the AWS Amplify CLI by running a command in your terminal. Once installed, configure your AWS account by running the Amplify configure command and following the prompts to set up your credentials. Next, create a new AWS Amplify project by running the Amplify init command. This will set up a new directory for your project and create the necessary files. Now, add the GraphQL API to your project by running the Amplify add API command. Choose the GraphQL option and follow the prompts to configure your schema. Define your schema using the GraphQL schema definition language. For example, you can define a simple schema with a type and a query. After defining your schema, deploy your GraphQL API to AWS by running the Amplify push command. This will create the necessary resources in your AWS account, including an App Sync API and a DynamoDB table. Once deployed, you can test your GraphQL API using the AWS App Sync console or a tool like GraphQL Playground. You can also use the AWS Amplify SDK to integrate your GraphQL API with your front-end application. Best practices for configuring AWS Amplify GraphQL API include using a separate AWS account for development and production, implementing authentication and authorization using AWS Cognito, and monitoring your API usage using AWS CloudWatch. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a scalable and secure GraphQL API using AWS Amplify. This enables you to focus on building your application, rather than managing your backend infrastructure.